Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Thakre and in this video we will learn about LED, types of LED, working of LED as well as the specification and advantages of the LED. So let's start the video.
So today in many electronic devices by some or other way this LED are commonly used, and if we talk about the lighting, then LED are used for the lighting in the houses, and not only that, today from the street lights to the traffic signals or even for the display board, the LED are commonly used. So in this video we will see the types of LED, working of LED as well as the advantages of the LED. Let's see the different types of LED. So the first type of LED is the through hole type of LED. Then the second type of LED is the SMD LED. So this type of LED are very tiny in the size and they are mounted on the circuit board. Today they are quite commonly used in the LED bulb and the other applications. And then the other type of LED is the COB LED, and it is known as the chip on board LED. It is very similar to the SMD LED. And then the other type of LED is the RGB LED. This type of LED are very quite commonly used for the decoration purpose. So now let's see the working of the LED. So similar to the PN junction diode, it is also one kind of diode, but whenever the current flow through it in the forward direction, then it emits the light of the particular color. Now the PN junction diode, whenever it is forward biased, then the holes on the P side start moving towards the N side, and similarly the electrons on the N side start moving towards the P side. And in a way, both holes and electrons contribute in the flow of current, and during the movement this charge carrier used to recombine with each other. So in the PN junction diode, whenever these electrons and holes recombine with each other, then they release the energy in the form of heat. But in case of the light emitting diode, whenever they recombine with each other, then they release the energy in the form of light. Let's see the advantages of the LED. Now, whenever the LED bulb are used for the lighting, then they are more energy efficient than the conventional bulb. Also, the lifespan of the LED bulb is more than the conventional bulb. Then the third advantages of the LED is that it can be operated in the fast switching application, and the other advantages are the smaller size and the better controllability. Now here controllability is in the sense that the brightness of the LED can be easily controlled. So these are some of the advantages of the LED. Let's see the specification of the LED. In infrared LED, the wavelength is 850 nanometer and forward current is 100 milliampere in normal condition and 300 milliampere in max, and the forward voltage is 1.24 volt to 1.4 volt. Next is red LED. The wavelength of red LED is 16 to 760 nanometer and forward current is 20 milliampere, and the forward voltage of red LED is 2 volt. Next LED is the orange LED. The wavelength of orange LED is 590 to 16 nanometer and the forward current is 20 milliampere, and the forward voltage of orange LED is 2 volt to 2.1 volt. Next is the yellow LED. The wavelength of yellow LED is 570 to 590 nanometer and the forward current is 20 milliampere, and the forward voltage of yellow LED is 2.1 volt to 2.2 volt. And next is the green LED. The wavelength of green LED is 500 to 570 nanometer and forward current is 20 milliampere, and the forward voltage of green LED is 1.9 to 4 volt. And the last is blue LED. The wavelength of blue LED is 450 to 500 nanometer and the forward current of blue LED is 30 milliampere, and the forward voltage is 2.5 to 3.7 volt. Now, the brightness or the luminous intensity is usually defined for the LED at the specific current, and this brightness is defined in the unit of millicandela. Now let's see the LED save energy or not. LED use much less energy than normal bulb because diode light is much more efficient and power wise than filament light. LED bulb use more than 75% less energy than normal bulb, and at low power level the difference is even larger. And the initial cost of an LED used to be about double than normal bulb, but the cost have been coming down and now it's hard to find bulbs that aren't LED. That's because they are so much more efficient than normal bulb and they save money in the long term. But originally many people prepared CFL bulb over LED because they throw a broader beam of light But nowadays LED technology is constantly improving and LED now emits broader warmer light. Thank you.